Hi, hello again. So I got my sew sampler for June. Just came in the mail today, just now. So I'm gonna open it up with you folks. So let's get in. I have no idea what we are getting. So right away it says neighborhood block party with houses. So I'm assuming we're going to get some kind of a house block quilt thing. So let's have a bake sale. So if you did have this, you would get a 20% off all cake mix and cupcake mix recipes. So that's super cool. Like always getting, I'm covering the code, so that's really nice. This is the little pamphlet that always comes showing us what we're getting. So I'm gonna just put that on the side so we get excited and surprised together. Okay. Oh, this is super cute. It is an art bin Clearview case, and it looks like it will hold charm pack 5-inch square. So you can see, and it also comes with Vintage Holiday. So let's open this up. There, it's taped. So let me just use my X-Acto knife and open it up. Let's see what we get. I like this because my room is super dusty and I have dogs, so their fur gets everywhere. So this is so cute. I have so many Vintage Holiday but I love it, so it doesn't bother me, but I'm going to be making a whole bunch of stuff using these. So it's a cupcake mix recipe. It has 44 recipe cards and block 1, 2, 3. This is also taped, so let me get rid of that. And oh, so it tells you exactly what to do. That's cool. And stitching line, and so stitching line is a dotted and the cutting line is a solid. So that's cute. There's 44 in here, and I'm assuming it makes these blocks. Love it. And we got 2 charm packs, Vintage Holiday, which y'all know I love. And let's go through it. So it looks like there's one of this one. Looks like there's one of each. I really enjoy this line. I love the colors. And I have, oh, there's some, looks like there's some duplicates. Maybe. But let me see if I can bring this down a little bit so we can open it. Okay, so let's do it this way so you can see it better. So looks like there's 42 squares, so they're all different. But again, I have some patterns that I do want to use with this, and actually I think I'm going to do the barn block with this too. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, you don't need me to count for you. Sorry, this is taking so long. Well, you know what? I'm not going to go through it because you guys all know what it looks like. But there's the greens, the reds, the pinks, the white with the silver, and then the turquoise minty colors, which I love, like a seafoam sea glass color. So that's one, and I'm assuming this is the same thing. Super cute. Very happy with that. Oh, and we got a Thimble Blossoms house pin collection. So I did get this from Lela Boutique, so I'll be putting this in here too, and I have to figure out how I'm going to display it. I only have 2 right now, but super cute. Love it. And here's the barn block recipe. So I think I'm going to use the Vintage Holiday to make these. This is the 3rd one, and I haven't made any because I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do. So I think because I have so many vintage holiday, I'm gonna use it. And this is the Cupcake Crossing quilt pattern. This is the quilt pattern for this month. I love it. Finish size is 50 by 50. I mean, seriously, I just love this. So this is what it looks like. And it's their normal colored, and what I do is I scan it into my computer. So, you know, paper eventually gets, you know, disintegrated. So I do scan all of my patterns and I keep them in my computer as a digital file. So anyway, that's what we got. So 2 patterns and 2 vintage holiday charm packs, cupcake mix recipe, this really lovely art bin where I can keep those in, this super cute pin, and a 20% off coupon. So let's look through this really quickly. So Block Party, June 2018. So charm packs, there's 2 of them. Retail is $19.96. Cupcake mix recipe, retail is $6.24. Winterville enamel pin, retail is $9.94. Clearview Artbin Case, retail is $4.49. And there's a promo code. Quilt pattern, retail is $9.98. And barn block, retail is $4.98. So I'll add it all up and I'll put it in the description box below. But I have been super happy with all of the So Sampler boxes, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Bye.